I'm going to walk you through step by step how to book a reservation to come visit us at Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. First, open the web browser of your choice. This could be on your computer or on your phone, and go to recreation.gov. Once you're here, search for Red Rock Timed Entry and click on it. You'll see that for timed entry, there are 5 options, 2 for personal vehicles, 2 for RVs or trailers, and 1 for commercial vehicles. I'm only going to cover the personal vehicles, but if you're in an RV or have a trailer, it's the exact same thing, just use these instead. So there's 2 options, Scenic Drive 1-day personal vehicle entry and Scenic Drive 1-day personal vehicle fee-free entry. Let's look at that one first. Fee-free days are days that we don't charge an entrance fee to enter the conservation area. There's a list of them here on the right. The next one coming up is the 15th of February, which this year is President's Day. So you can see that's the only day available on here. Most of the time, though, you're going to be choosing the other option. So we're going to go through on that one. So Scenic Drive 1-day personal vehicle entry. Let's book that. First, you're going to pick a date. As you can see, the 15th doesn't have any availability. That's because it's that fee-free day. If you go to book a reservation and see something like this, where there's just one day with no availability, do check and make sure it's not a fee-free day. These days aren't available yet. Reservations get released 30 days in advance, so not quite ready for those yet. We'll pick a date. Let's go with March 1st. And then we need to add our quantity. Either have a personal vehicle like a car or a motorcycle. I'm going to be in a car. It will warn you can only select one. Close that. And then we need to pick a time. I'm not a morning person, so let's go at 1 o'clock. And then add to cart. Here it will prompt you to log in. If you've booked a reservation anywhere on recreation.gov, it's the same login. So if you've stayed at a campground before, try that out first. If you don't have an account, not a problem. Just click up here to sign up. Enter your name, email, and phone number, and then sign up. You'll get an email that will have a link. That link will take you back to this page and allow you to create a password. Once you have a password, or if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. And then it takes us to our cart. Notice this up here, you have 15 minutes to complete your transaction once you've logged in. So you have time to fill everything out. Don't worry, that ticket will be set aside for those 15 minutes. Check that your date and your time is correct. If not, you can change it here. And that your other information is correct. Over here you'll see that it's $15 for the entrance fee and then a $2 reservation fee. If you have an annual pass or some other thing that gives you free entry, you can come over here to this green Add a Pass button. It gives you options to either buy a pass at the entrance, say you want to get a new one, or get your first pass. If you already have a pass to Red Rock, if you've got a 5th grade voucher, which would be 4th grade vouchers in future years, military, or a different interagency annual pass, so like the America the Beautiful Pass, the Golden Age Pass, one of those. I have a site pass, so I'm going to click on that. And as you'll see, it got rid of the entrance fee. You do need to show your pass when you come to the entrance, so please make sure if you click one of those boxes you have your pass with you, or you will have to pay the entrance fee. Down here is some need-to-know information. It just tells you when we're open, when there's fee-free days, etc. If you need more information, we have an entire video that explains the details of the reservation system, so you should go watch that. Shameless plug. Sorry about that. So once you've read this, go ahead and click yes, I read and agree, and then proceed to cart. In your cart, once again, just make sure it's the right date and time. Remember, you can enter a half hour before or after the start time, so I can go anywhere between 12:30 and 1:30. Check that you're being charged the appropriate amount, and then proceed to payment. Enter your credit card information, and then complete the transaction. Once you're done, you'll receive a confirmation email. In that will be a link that you will click to get your QR code. That's what they scan when you come through the entrance. If you can't pull up that code for whatever reason, there's no need to worry. They can also look up your reservation by your last name or by your reservation number. I hope that was helpful, and I can't wait to see you out at Red Rock Canyon.